All right, guys, so this is the class opener, which will help you be prepared for questions 1 and 2 on Friday's test. So consider this video the first part of reviewing for Friday's test. So what does it say here? It says, state what is wrong with the following statements supposedly representing this equation. So it says half of the sum. Okay, so that's 1/2 of the sum. Yeah, it's perfect. You need parentheses. Sum means add. So half of the sum of f and y, yeah, there's f and y, and you're summing it, you're adding it together, is equal to the quotient. The quotient, wait a minute, quotient is division, right? And there is no dividing going on right here. So if I'm asking you to state what's wrong with option A, this is what's wrong with option A. The word quotient is incorrect because there is no division, okay? That's the mistake, or that's why option A is not the correct representation of it. That's what's wrong with it. The word quotient is not, should not be on there because quotient means division and there is no division. So now let's jump to the next one. B says half of the quantity of f plus y is equal to f less than 5. Half of the quantity, that's 1/2 parentheses. Quantity means parentheses. So 1/2 parentheses, and notice what's inside of the parentheses, f plus y. Perfect, f plus y. So far so great. Half of the quantity, half of the parentheses of f plus y, there it is, of f plus y, is equal to, so far this might be the winner, f minus 5. But over here it says f less than 5. And I don't know if you guys remember this, but you need to. The word then means that you're going to switch the order. Okay, so it shouldn't be f minus 5. According to this, it's 5 minus f. You switch the order. The word than implies that there's a switch in the order. So B cannot be correct because the words less than, again, less than, imply a switch in order. So there's your reason why B is incorrect. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Let's look at C. 1/2 times the quantity. All right, so let's think about 1/2. There it is, 1/2 times, perfect, there's no sign between the 1/2 and the parenthesis. The quantity, perfect, parentheses, of f and y. Wait a minute, it just says f and y. There should be the word sum in there, or maybe f plus y or something. But if you just have f and y, that doesn't tell you what's going on inside the quantity, inside the parentheses. So that would be the mistake on C. Let's look at the actual typed out answer here. C, it says when it has the word quantity, that implies parentheses. Okay, we knew that. But we need to state what is happening inside the parentheses. So once again, 1/2 times the quantity, and it just has f and y. So that doesn't say plus. It doesn't say the sum. It just says f and y. I guess that would imply multiplication. That's not multiplication. So you need to say the word plus in there. Kind of like it says up here, half of the quantity of f plus y. That's perfect. Quantity is a parenthesis, plus f plus y is right there. But right here it just says 1/2 times the quantity of f and y. So it doesn't tell you that you're adding. That's what messes it up. So that's why C is incorrect. You need to state what's happening inside the quantity, what's happening inside the parentheses. Moving on to the next one, D. 1/2 times, perfect, 1/2 times f plus y. See, if you just start writing this, 1/2 times f plus y, that's what it says. 1/2 times f plus y, there it is, 1/2 times f plus y is equal to f minus 5, is equal to f minus 5. Now notice that cannot be it, because there is no words in here that'll produce these parentheses. There is no words such as quantity, or it doesn't say the word sum, which implies inside parentheses. So this option D cannot be it, because if you just wrote what it says here, there are no parentheses. Let's take a look at the typed out response here for option D. If you write this equation down as it is, if you write this equation, man, I messed up on that. If you write this equation down as it is, it will have no parentheses. So maybe I should have put a comma right here. As it is, comma, it will have no parentheses. So that's the mistake, that there are no parentheses if you write it down the way it is right there. Let's move on to the last one. The last one says 1/2 of the sum. Okay, 1/2 of the sum, and the sum implies parentheses, so that's good. Sum is addition, perfect, of f and y. Okay, f plus y, that's the sum of f and y, is equal to the difference. Difference does not imply a switch. It's just subtracting of f and 5. So f take away 5. That's perfect. This is the correct answer. So state what's wrong with E. There is nothing wrong with this sentence. There is nothing wrong with E. Okay, so this is questions 1 and 2 on Friday's test. Of course, I'm not going to ask you to state what's wrong with the following. I'm going to say identify the ones that do represent it. So if E is the only one that actually works, so on Friday, E would be the answer. Of course, I'm going to switch the order. I might switch something else. But I hope this video gets you prepared for the first 2 questions out of the 30 on Friday's test.